Welcome back. Let me ask you something honestly, and please think about it carefully. Do you wake up every morning feeling tired, even after sleeping the whole night? Do your legs feel heavy when you stand up? Do simple daily tasks feel harder than they used to? And sometimes you ask yourself, I am eating food every day, so why do I still feel weak? If you are over 60, this video may answer a question that no one has clearly explained to you before. Because feeling weak every day after 60 is not just aging. In most cases, it is your body quietly telling you that it is missing something essential. And today, I will share 2 simple foods that can help your body rebuild strength naturally. Without extreme diets, without expensive supplements, and without exhausting workouts. So please watch this video till the end, because the second food is something most people completely ignore. And missing it slowly drains strength from your muscles, bones, and nerves. Before we continue, if you care about your health, energy, and independence as you grow older, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Here, we share simple, practical health guidance for everyday life, especially for people over 60 who want to stay strong naturally. Now let's talk about why weakness increases with age. As we grow older, our body changes in ways we don't always notice. Digestion becomes slower. Muscle repair becomes weaker. The body absorbs less protein and minerals. Appetite reduces. Inflammation quietly increases inside the body. So even if your plate looks full, your cells may still be starving. That is why so many people say, I eat 3 meals a day but I still feel weak. The problem is not how much you eat. The problem is what your body can actually absorb and use. Weakness does not always come with pain. Sometimes it shows up in small ways. Needing support while standing, feeling dizzy when getting up, tired arms while carrying light items, shaky hands, poor balance, or getting exhausted after a short walk. Many people ignore these signs and say, this is just old age. But age is not the real problem. Deficiency is. Some people immediately turn to supplements, hoping pills will fix everything. But if digestion is weak, many supplements simply pass through the body without being fully absorbed. Real strength begins with real food. Food that the body recognizes, accepts, and uses efficiently. That brings us to the first food: eggs. Eggs are one of the most powerful and complete foods for aging bodies. They contain high-quality protein, vitamin B12, vitamin D, healthy fats, and an amino acid called leucine, which is extremely important for muscle repair and strength. After 60, muscle loss speeds up if protein intake is low, and eggs provide protein in a form that older bodies digest more easily than heavy meats. Many people think they should eat less protein as they age. In reality, the body needs more, but in a form that is gentle on digestion. Eggs are easy to chew, easy to digest, affordable, and available almost everywhere. That is why studies show that older adults who eat eggs regularly maintain better muscle strength, balance, and daily energy. Better balance means fewer falls. Fewer falls mean independence. Some people worry about cholesterol, but modern research shows that for most older adults, 1 to 2 eggs per day is safe and beneficial. The real danger is not eggs. The real danger is losing muscle strength. The best way to eat eggs after 60 is simple. Avoid deep frying. Boiled eggs, soft omelets with a little olive oil, or lightly scrambled eggs with vegetables are ideal. Eating eggs in the morning or as a light evening meal works best for many people. After 2 to 3 weeks, many people notice less morning weakness, better grip strength, improved energy, and less fatigue while walking. But eggs alone are not enough. There is a second food that helps your body actually use the protein from eggs. It supports muscles, strengthens bones, improves nerve signals, and protects balance. Most people are missing this food completely, and without it, even a good diet may not work properly. The second food is yogurt, plain, natural yogurt. As we age, our gut becomes weaker. The gut is where nutrients are absorbed. If the gut is unhealthy, strength slowly fades, no matter how good your diet looks. Yogurt contains natural probiotics that repair digestion. These good bacteria help your body absorb protein, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12, all of which are critical for strength after 60. Without a healthy gut, protein from eggs cannot fully do its job. That's why some people eat well but still feel weak. Yogurt also provides calcium and vitamin D support, which protect bones and reduce the risk of fractures. Strong bones give muscles something solid to work with. Weak bones make the body feel fragile and unstable. Another important benefit of yogurt is nerve support. Weakness is not always muscular. Sometimes nerves are slow, damaged, or poorly nourished. Yogurt helps improve nerve signaling, which improves balance, coordination, and confidence while walking. Many older adults fear dairy, but plain yogurt is different. It is fermented, which makes it easier to digest than milk. For most people, it does not cause bloating and actually improves digestion over time. The key is to choose plain yogurt, not flavored, not sweetened, just simple yogurt. Now let's talk about how to combine these two foods properly. The best routine is simple. In the morning, eat 1 or 2 eggs with vegetables. This gives your muscles protein and starts the day with stable energy. Later in the day, have a small bowl of plain yogurt. You can eat it alone or add a few seeds or fruit if digestion allows. This combination works because eggs build muscle, and yogurt helps your body absorb and use that muscle-building nutrition. Consistency matters more than quantity. You don't need to eat large portions. You need to eat these foods regularly. After 3 to 4 weeks, many people notice real changes. Standing up feels easier, walking feels steadier, fatigue reduces, confidence returns, daily activities feel manageable again. Strength is not about lifting heavy weights. Strength is about being able to live independently, safely, and comfortably. One important reminder: food works best when paired with gentle movement. Simple walking, light stretching, or slow strength movements help your body send the signal. We need to stay strong. You don't need intense workouts, just daily movement. Aging does not mean losing strength. Losing strength means the body is missing support. When you give your body the right fuel and time, it responds, even after 60. If you found this video helpful, support your health journey by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Share this with someone you care about, because strength is something everyone deserves at every age. Thank you for watching, take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.